reaction from Mzbel. Afia, good morning and many thanks for your time. How are you?
I'm okay.
Good. So you were on TV recently saying that you've been scammed by the NaaWe. Can you still confirm what you said or deny or retract?
I mean, besides I took my case to NaaWe. They charged me 2,000. Somebody asked them money. Mommy, time frame within 2 weeks. It's been like 4 months, if I'm not mistaken. Ain't no mundi asked them mommy, me kowa, me nkotubia, me fra yemfa. That will be the fun. As soon as someone will catch me. Openi bia and sugar, and in Yankasa so say me saying ya butre my time and could do say any state time. Na India some Nankamatia. I have big sisters in Jamestown. They keep going there. My sister friend NaaWe money ne kasa only make share time. Bra time when Mrs. Abakot now sa omba of friend on fa. Before I make TV so I can me kind me text the money and na CSA. Say ya kosu. Da make TV so na radio say I be bisa me say send me I will expect not me a woman, me frustration woman. And say na me bisa so what you see ka komo bi so ndi asem ma. Now, no my time frame. Now, one tenica, or friend now, or show will milk or tenacia or ma. At the end, why you want for them. You can't go for saying, and yes, come and your fraud. So, who told you, or maybe say online. Now, you promise to say within 24 hours, about be delivered, dear Nama. Not 2 months, you may deliver. Who fly yemfa with the castle, mawa. Me pacho, you can't go for me saying, and your fraud.
Okay, so did you listen to NaaWe earlier?
Me last minute now, and I meet him. It is all say I should be wise.
Okay.
Andy, I am not wise. That is why I came to them, so that they can make me wise. I am studying tradition and culture. I am practicing African spirituality. I could have taken my case to court. I have 2 lawyers, but I chose to bring it to them because of what I am studying and practicing. And I respected them. Me buy me manage the yasi. And so to quite catch me say, me be my banning chamber yama. Into that say me will need the amount. Anything I may bow honor. Into no a warning idea me the mouth. And the said be binty. As someone never chat. What catch them na yet day. Wouldn't me some reason me not your bunny that's not the Anna won't me man would text me say means me ban to quan. Now yet day. And so, one need the to me, I want to partner with me the year time. I made him answer my brother. And said, my partner TV so I come for NaaWe. I'm only probably brave. I'm on call for my brooch. Then I did a preference. Say, they want updates. Send the bay on mobile gun. No more, your send the call. Me partner can update the Ben. I mean, for more. Me call radio several times. Yet, some I miss Yegusu for how long? And to send me home see. As some me better not see the soup tire, the way I may bear and don't see me come phone and no see obedient no coho, not the end me at the end upon now. Why not? I have questions to protect. Yes, a hype and I may pay. And the officers me better not see this one make us a man dream for a long time. Some minimum say if you are better than me. Some minimum say for better than me. Minimum. That's the better to save a few people. Me won't see a mobile cover and my dear idea me I am. It's not about the money. It's not so much about the money, but at least communication. Or see me see baby say you see on read it text message. But what the number mommy send me find your day. Me find the question me phone is one now. Say I was saying can me breast your honor. Me breast one the most several times. I have witnesses. Yeah, but I feel one several times. If the baby I only go my area, more phone man, more phone. Sometimes me power. I share my frustration with them. I tell them that I have some idea samana. Obeba be any ho. First time I'm friend samana ye call you make me what now come here don't be you know. Come on, cash and training. You can say, share 50 cities. You can find someone, my one, no more for second letter and come here. That's what they told me. And that was the end. And to coming a day. Me pay now the letter D can bring. Actually, can make a screenshot of me just send you. Now he's asking me to lend him money to go and fix his car. It may be something to sound one. Ya give me 2,000 say baby as mama yendi mami. Wo ya suma won so say fa let abra me na me follow up to. Who so mommy pressure say me ma me mbo bisia. If I try this screenshot na me dey send you. It's pity power, pity whatever. It's coming then. And you tell me the car because I want the money back. Me the car say never ya. O ti ya of frame me or me hunti no o person dey na asem ko ho. Onya wa say me di ko on say never ya. Ya me say ya see me. Ya see me. Me be na radio so me kan for no ma wi ase. Think for friend. Say ya ne de. For friend so you got follow up. I didn't want money per year, and now granting interview. I'm a granting interview. So, say anything, me, but Mzbel, not some other. We will deal with it. And then the fear bar, James Ford, I bet be on rough. At the chance to go here video. Not until you crying to me some more, and not NaaWe. I think no one radio, so I'm like I said, we're going to and that's what can't be just yomo. Now, let me, Master Bam, what the name of who name me Babeco. And you know what's here, and you're from your Korean and mobile good thing. Then if I need dear, and you won't say anyone's not on us, now would you say, and you would not walk on your hosting. Me young crying, but I am me and cranny by bed. You will be what James at Sydney Jamestown. And for some reason, you know, cramp on deeper back. And I said, no, my dear, nobody up to any so, open you for me, nothing come as soon as you. Not I know what I want to be father. Hello, I know what this I would say. Now we'll go see more to see about the battle between you and I.
But
so about that gun.
Mzbel. So please don't go there. There are some, please. I would want you to tone down, especially with some of these statements.
That's I'm not speaking English. What is happening to our traditional culture? I remember the day I sat on UTV and praised NaaWe because of someone being Kofaki culture me. And yeah, there. And for preference, media preference. I don't know how many pay my grant interview. The Afia was Jamestown. I don't know one man grant interview. It was disrespect to them. I don't know how many.
Mzbel. So now, Ora now, what? Ora who said Ora who because. Ora who say Oman diasem no and answer the opposite here Afia Schwar nigga na amaso.
Da be me ra ho say me di master makoma me mpanyimfo so mundi ma me na no mada ne mo ne mba be ko. Me ra ho enye ni wuma me.
Okay, so is it true you went there to curse Afia Schwar's nigga?
Yes. So, I didn't go there to curse Afia Schwar's nigga. Afia Schwar's nigga fi kan semo bi. And every time I'm getting feedback on Facebook and I didn't like it. So I went to Jamestown. I went to my sisters and I told them, say, and someone had to me suit me and you are husband snatcher. Only way I down for now, we need pregnant. Min Kopodia. Up or down, and I'm a snatch of big Nana Maesia. Young Woodria, not young in live video. That's why I went to James. Young in live. No beer.
Okay, so Obodiano for them. No, hold on, Mzbel. No, you're going to curse someone. Say at the end, because it comes with I understand you, but it comes with something. There must be something, or there must be a reason.
Based on the people front worker. Must see go me to me Kobodia. Sometimes when you are no cra, Bosumin come. Sanya cra so be some bonibia to me so be no cra, Bosuman. But
according to NaaWe, you came there specifically.
Wait, mommy finish. That is why I went to Jamestown. Some of me call Sakumo Tushi. I didn't know about NaaWe. And almost you there be my young Sakumo Tushi, young NaaWe. No me for my some culture me na some be abona no my yamane me you trying to lie they are to social media so that at least obi abem say many abre all these things they are accusing me of is not true. That's why I went there. And somebody me call NaaWe me call and me bo mama na e kire no and o ka kire me so omo mbo bia because ye bo obi dua omo e no more than dua bono and so a hon at the court omo di omo asem they work with the Supreme Court and they work with the police. Into send me pound to church me how one case be a 500, be a 2,000. So a chair me church me na me choose 2,000 yen. And I'm 3 year. But me just can you
why did you choose the 2,000?
Because 2001 or chair say it goes no it's recognized by Supreme Court. Into no say omo nipa na say wan ba. Omo be police for e be na akonfo ama ya akwachi nipa no e de aba. And I be catch on and say, hey, be okay, I am any now, but this is what I want. And I'll pay 2,000. Or then I made out on na minimum someone can say somebody will have until no almost by being near come. Time I made it to one and me 2,000. And I'm beside since the way I bet check almost no NaaWe and the India somewhere in just that. And check. And so me because that bank and a letter never come to the following day and a letter never come.
Okay,
but me be I'm pressure my money pressure. And so me try 1 week man session. And I'm starting me follow up. Me follow up it's almost 3-4 weeks and a letter no call if I'm not wrong.
Okay. Now something I wanted to be clear on, but you did not permit me to ask. I will ask again. Did you go there specifically to curse Afia Schwar?
I didn't want to. I didn't go there specifically to curse Afia Schwar. I went there to curse, general curse. Or be based on their in summer Afia can man so I did so. And so be what to be piano and untino or from a husband snatcher, or from a say, or from your did bonnie be but some only.
If that's the case, the PRO NaaWe mentions that you came there so that you curse Afia Schwar and they'll kill her.
It's a lie.